What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. ThinBorne have sent over some amazing looking cases. These are the phones that I bought into 2026 with me, as these were my favourite phones from the end of last year. So we've got Fold 7, my 17 Pro Max, and of course the iPhone Air. Now this doesn't get used all that much, but when I'm going out for the evening, this is what I tend to carry in my pocket over the Pro Max, as I don't really tend to use the wide angle camera of a night. If I'm going out somewhere and I just need a normal camera, this one suffices. Transferred everything over to this one, everything just literally works seamlessly. Really enjoying this phone. Now this year I am changing things up a little bit, so you're going to see some new stuff coming when the Ultra gets here. But for now, we're still doing the same, just for now. And then when the Ultra gets here, things are going to change. And I'm also going to be doing some reviews, so make sure you get ready for those. However, ThinBorne, who are known for the armoured fibre thin case, decided to make some colours. Now, they sent it over, there's not that one, I think it's this one. So they sent it over for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and they sent it over in the new navy colour. Now they've sent it over in the navy for the Air, the Pro Max and the Fold. Now they're also doing a scarlet version, which is red, and they're also doing this one, which is called black gold. So there's that one as well, which is the black gold. I think that will look great with the orange foam. But they're also, as I say, they're now doing different colours in the weave. I've got navy in the Fold 7 right here. Looks absolutely fantastic. Inside the box you get new packaging now as well for your screen protector, so that is nice as well. It's not just out there now, it's kind of like this one, so it's not just out in the middle like this, it's now like this, which is great. It's good to see, as I say, a company making some changes, doing some things differently. It's always nice to see. So what I've got right here, I've got it for the Fold 7. I don't need that one, so we're good. And then this one right here should be for the Air. Ooh, yeah. And there's the one for the Air. Get a nice sort of camera lens protector as well. It's a nice touch. We may do a separate short on that. So we've got 17 Pro Max, Air, and you get a front and a back piece for the Fold 7. The ThinBorne logo on the Fold 7 case looks really good, but it's changed compared to these two. So let's go ahead and get these fitted. I'm going to start with the Air. So let's take a look. Let's grab the Air. Oh, and of course you got the new MagSafe ring now in the middle too. No longer just like a sort of embedded line. You can actually see the magnets, the array of magnets for the MagSafe, which is nice to see. That just slaps on really well. So there's that one. So let's slap it on for the 17 Pro Max. 17 Pro Max, iPhone Air in the navy. Yeah, that looks really good. So they look incredible. That's the new navy colour. So there's them two. So now let's go ahead and slap this on the Fold 7. Obviously we don't know right now what's going to happen. The Fold 7 might be going to make way for the Ultra, but we shall see. And there we go. There's the navy on the blue Fold 7. Of course it comes with the front piece protection right here. Obviously you'd have to take the little stickies off and stick it down, otherwise it's going to move every time you sort of do this. It tends to move, so you want to stick that down. Ideally, this is the case you're going to be keeping on your phone, which you really should, because that's amazing. I mean, that anodized aluminium housing right there for the camera looks fantastic on the blue. Really does look really good on the navy case. But let me know what you think. So there's the Air, the Fold 7 and the 17 Pro Max. Obviously they're doing them for the OnePlus phones too, but let me know what you think in the comment section down below. So let's test out MagSafe really quickly. So we've got the original Apple MagSafe battery pack that we do the test with. Slaps in. Yeah, no issues there. So shake test. Yeah, no issues with MagSafe. Jeez, no issues with MagSafe. Test out the Nomad base stand with the air. Yeah, didn't have to put my hand underneath. We know how good it is. Let's slap on the 17 Pro Max. Same again, and then of course the big test is the Fold 7. Slaps in, and yeah, no issues. No issues with MagSafe whatsoever. But would you pick up the navy, the scarlet, or the black and gold, or even just the standard black and grey colourway, that the black and grey colour that they do? But of course with the navy you get that anodised aluminium border for your camera plateau on the iPhone, and round the camera lenses for the Fold 7 you get that nice black thing. But as I say, the wording is in a different font on the Fold case compared to these two. They look fantastic. I do like the new colours. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Would you pick up one of the new colour cases? I'm going to leave a link down below to where you can pick these up for yourself. It will be my affiliate link. It won't cost you guys any extra, and just gives a little kickback to the channel. But it'll also have a discount code down there too for ThinBorne as well. But don't tell him I've told you, because he still doesn't know he's left it on there. So there should be a discount link down there to where you can pick these cases up for yourself in the scarlet, as I say, black gold, and the standard black grey case. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Is this case definitely something you would pick up for your phone? Let me know which phone you'd like him to see and make a case for. If there's anything different out there compared to what we've seen. Obviously just Google Pixel, Samsungs, iPhones, OnePluses, and I'm sure there's a few more too. But you can find all that linked in the description down below. So head over to ThinBorne's website, check it out, let me know what you think. If you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much. As I say, we are going to change things around in March when the 26 Ultra gets here. And this right here is what you see in the background. This is all stuff that still needs to be filmed. So let's get straight into it. We've got a lot to get through. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.